Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to unlock this network lock, like a SIM lock for Mobicel, Techno or any other device. Let's see how to fix this one. For here we have a MH Unlocker Pro tool. If anyone need it, let me know. I can get it for you. We need a credit also. So let's fix. Before we fixing, we must have to know what is a model number. There is on the back side. Let me show you. There is a number is Mobicel new. So let's select it first. You can see here. Let me select here number is Mobicel so just select it, and then we have to put IMEI number here. Which one on the phone? You can see here, this is IMEI number. Unlock code. They are saying to check nicely your IMEI is alright, and we say just OK. And there you want to be. It's taking 1 credit, so we just say yes. So now you can see here we get this lock. If you see here, this is lock, we can get it now. Let's put it and see our SIM card is working or not. This is very easy and simple. So we can put here that pin we receive it. So that pin is 299333952. Just says OK. And here you go. We successfully unlock our phone, so we don't have that problem to the lock, SIM lock, network lock is sorted out now. Now our SIM is working. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.